I'm Tim Mast, and I'd like to talk to you about preventive maintenance. Everyone agrees that we should do preventive maintenance on our equipment, but there are a lot of questions surrounding it. What preventive maintenance should we be doing? How often should we do it? Are we doing the right amount? Who has the skills to do it? ABB has a solution to all these questions in the Servicepro Maintenance Management Platform. Servicepro is a custom service maintenance platform designed to answer these very questions. What should we be doing? Within Servicepro, we review your installed base of equipment. Then we cross-reference that with a master library of preventive maintenance from the equipment manufacturers. This allows us to develop a customized maintenance plan based on your particular mix of equipment. How often should we do it? Different tasks need to be performed at different scheduled intervals. Servicepro is capable of managing tasks at the daily and weekly level, the monthly and annual, and even multi-year preventive maintenance schedules that are difficult to track and monitor. Servicepro helps you do the right thing at the right time. Are we doing the right amount? It's difficult to find the correct mix between preventive maintenance and corrective maintenance. If we do too much preventive maintenance, we're wasting our maintenance dollar. But if we don't do enough, we're running the risk of costly and expensive downtime. Within Servicepro, we get the recommendations directly from the manufacturers as to what preventive maintenance we should be doing. But then we cross-reference that with industry usage statistics derived from more than 2.5 million completed work orders within Servicepro to develop a custom maintenance plan particularly for you. And who has the skills to do it? We recognize that you have lots of skilled engineers who are capable of performing your preventive maintenance, but sometimes you need experts from outside to come and give you an assistance. In addition, sometimes there's some preventive maintenance that based on your particular usage, you might decide you just don't want to do. So we work with you to build a custom contract to determine, are you doing the maintenance, is ABB doing the maintenance, or is no one doing that particular maintenance? This helps you get the right balance for your process, the right balance for your budget, and the right balance for your equipment. The ABB Servicepro platform helps you to right-size your preventive maintenance to get the best out of your equipment.